How I spend my Saturday afternoons. Cleaning up pet vomit, of course. If that's you, this video will be helpful.
Have a puppy that doesn't like riding in the back of your SUV? Do they get car sick? Well, we're going to show you how to clean up the mess right now. If you're not lucky enough to have one of these plastic protectors protecting the back of your SUV, or maybe your interior carpet, or maybe cloth seats, this is a video for you. We're going to show you how with these few simple tools, you can clean like the professionals. Get rid of the vomit, get rid of the odor especially, and make your car clean, healthy, and safe again. Coming up. This is a live parking lot. You might hear some road noise. We apologize for that. We're going to show you the how-tos, and to keep in mind all of these products that you see here, all of the chemicals that we use to professionally clean vomit, urine, feces damage from pets or children, whether it's in a car or not, right here. They work. Follow the directions. You'll be amazed at the results. Links to all these products are below. If you have the first time to our channel, we'd appreciate you subscribing to get more videos like this. Don't forget to hit that little bell. You'll be notified when we upload. And at the end of the video, if you found this helpful, we appreciate a thumbs up. Coming at you, just how we go about doing it. Step one, identify where the vomit is. Usually you can figure that out. There is no actual vomit here, but we're gonna assume on this backing of this SUV right here is where the problem is. We took out the protector, we let the puppy ride, the puppy got sick, and now there's puppy vomit right here. So what we've done, we've taken it, it says urine pre-treatment, but it works on all body fluids. So we're gonna mix this according to directions. If you have questions about that, please leave them in the comment section below. We're gonna add some of this product. This helps destroy bad odors and for staining. In this Pyrex dish right here, we're gonna add it. What you're simply gonna do is saturate the area, making sure that there are no electronics under this area. You saturate the area, don't be afraid to put extra, and you're gonna work it into the area with this horsehair brush. There's no need to use anything much more aggressive than a simple, gentle horsehair brush. Just like that. It could be that simple. Make sure to not make this too concentrated, because it'll make it harder to rinse out. All you have to do is follow the directions, and we're going to let that sit, usually 20 to 25 minutes, depending on the severity. Believe it or not all vomit is the same. If it smells really bad, you might have to repeat this process more than once, but let it sit for about 20-25 minutes, and we'll come back and show you how to rinse it all out. The detergent has been sitting now for 20-25 minutes. We've saturated the area. We use the horsehair brush, as you've seen, to agitate it in. That's important. Again, now we're going to do the rinse. You can use a spray bottle with the all fiber rinse. Again, 1 to 2 ounces per gallon with warm water. It goes a long way. Because it's an open flat area, we figured we'd be able to pour it on without any issues. So what's going to happen is we're going to pour the rinse agent onto this spot, put the shop vac on, making sure the shop vac you use is wet capable, because you're picking up liquids. And we have links to those also below if you want to buy one through our affiliate page. So what we would simply do is add the rinse agent here, going a little bit beyond where the actual detergent went. I would again work it in, and then simply extract it off with using the shop vac.
If at the end of the rinse process, and don't forget, use multiple applications of all the chemicals we showed you if necessary, but if at the end of the rinse, the final rinse, if the odor is not gone, that means you didn't leave it dwell long enough, the chemicals long enough, you didn't rinse thoroughly enough, or maybe you made the chemical too weak. That's also possible. So go over your steps, be thorough, find in all the vomit areas or the contamination, and it all has to be treated. Questions, of course, we're happy to answer them.
So as you can see, it's a pretty simple process to clean that vomit out of the car. If there's another body fluid, there's how-to links down below, and check out our how-to library. We have many videos It's simple. Use fans to speed dry it. When you're done, repeat the process. If necessary, we happen to like a stainless steel drapery tool like this, but all the tools that come with a simple small shop vac, they work wonders. You can also use this process on upholstered seats, not leather, but upholstered seats. If there's vomit on there, use the same process. Maybe use the spray bottle instead of the pouring method with the rinse and the detergent. If you have questions, again, we'd love to hear from you. If you found this effective or if there was an issue, let us know. And again, if you think you found this helpful, we'd love to get a thumbs up, maybe a subscribe button. Click, and that would be wonderful. Thanks again for watching. We really appreciate it.